Ready, heroes. Welcome to Super Haroof Heroes. It's time to learn and play.
Assalamu alaikum, my shining stars. How are you all? I'm your dear Pei. Remember my special sign? I have 3 tiny little dots hidden underneath me, just like little butterflies. Yes, you all know me very well. Urdu words are super pretty, and many start with the sound Pei. Pei is for Patang, Patang, a flying kite up in the sky. Pei is for Pani, Pani, clean and cool. It helps us thrive. Pei is for pencil, pencil, for drawing pictures so high. In this video, we learned so much. Now it's your turn. Tell me who I am and what's my special mark. Great job. I am Pei, and those are my 3 little dots that make me special. Today's journey ends here, but don't worry, because in the next video, we'll meet another member of my family, Tay, and learn new words that start with it. It's going to be a super fun class. Allah Hafiz.